Good morning, students. Am I audible to you? Yes, can anyone reply? Am I audible to you? Okay, fine. So, we had started with chapter number 4, that is dynamic programming. And in the last class, we had completed the 01 knapsack program, right? In which we had tried to utilize the maximum number of weight in such a way that we should earn the maximum profit, as well as our knapsack or our bag must be filled. So that is fine for you. Shall we start with next topic? Yes or no? Fine. So the next topic in our syllabus, that is very easy and show longest common subsequence, that might be told as a LCS, right? Longest common subsequence or LCS. So in this topic we have been given two strings, and if from that two strings we'll try to identify the maximum length common string. Okay, so here they have written, need to find common sequence between two strings which must be long enough. So we'll try to identify the common long enough string between given two string, right? String can be anything, like it can be set of digit, it can be set of some value, okay, some character. So anything can be verb, and from any example you are able to find the maximum value. So for that, again, as it is dynamic programming, we'll always use the table concept. So one string we are writing as a column wise, another string we are writing as a row wise. There is no rule like highest character string we need to write column wise or row wise. No. In every case, you will get the common answer, right? So you can arrange your data as per your convenience. Okay. So I had arranged Malayalam in a LAYLAM over here and MALAY Malay over here, right? Now to extract specific location of row and column wise, this index we are approaching in terms of J index, and this index we are taking in terms of I. Okay. Now for that, we had created one zeroth row and zeroth column just to use those zeros in order to start first row and first column computation, right? So we had embedded one zeroth row and zeroth column. Okay. Now you need to remember two rules in order to fill this table. Please listen carefully. See, whenever you are filling table, just a second. Whenever you are filling this table, you need to take care that at a particular box, you need to see both the input character, like input character row wise and input character column wise. Let's suppose for this box, column wise we are having N, row wise we are having A. So we need to check whether both the character are same or not. If same, that means if we'll found matching at a particular box, we need to do diagonal value plus 1. Whatever is there at its diagonal position, in that value we need to add plus 1. Let's suppose for this box, this highlighted box, this box is treated as a diagonal. So for this box is treated as a diagonal. So whenever there is a matching, we need to add plus 1 in the diagonal. And if there is no matching, like M and A, that means there is no matching. So in that case, we need to see exactly its left hand side value and its above value. Left hand side value and its above value. In between both the value, whatever is the maximum value, that we need to write down as an answer. Left and above value માંથી જે બી maximum હોય that you need to keep as a answer. Are you getting this both the rule? Everyone, once we'll able to fill this table, you are getting in more detail. So for this example, what is the value of its row and column character? Can anyone reply? No, Abhishek, I am asking what is the input value of its row and column. First tell me that. Yes, M and M. Good. So is there any matching? Yes, definitely M and M are matching, right? So whenever there is a matching, we need to add plus 1 in the diagonal. But you can see there is no present value as a diagonal. Why? Because we are just starting our procedure. So whenever there is no value present as diagonal, what you can do? You can assume that there is a 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. That is correct. But as there is no 0 present, every time whenever we are filling value, we need to give reference. Like whether that value we had obtained with the reference of diagonal, with the reference of upper value, or with the reference of left hand side value. Are you getting? So here one actually obtained with help of this diagonal, but there is no diagonal value present. So you can give reference of any value like u or left. Here let's keep as a u. So first everyone clear with this. Okay, fine. Once we'll fill one or two row, everyone will able to get idea. Now at this particular level, first tell me what is the input of row and column. I'm simply asking input. Very good. Okay. So is there any matching? There is no matching. So what you need to see in case of no matching? You need to see its left hand side value and its above value. In between both the value, whatever is the maximum that you need to write. So which one is maximum? Can anyone tell? Between left hand side value and exactly its above value. Which value is maximum? Please do reply quickly. I'm asking very. How it is above Jay Shankar? Above is 0. Left hand side is 1. So 1 is greater or 0 is greater? Obviously 1. So whatever is maximum that you need to write. And this 1 you are getting as a reference of left hand side or upper reference of left hand side. Yes or no? So we'll give reference as a N. Okay. Now tell me for this box, first tell me input data, row wise and column wise. What is that? Yes, so there is no matching. So now what should maximum 1 or 0? Left hand side or above? Yes, 1. And which reference of which value? Very good. Now for this box, Yes, very good. For this box, M and Y. So again there is no matching. We'll see left hand side 1 above 0. So what should be the answer? Very good. Over here, over here, over here. For the last box, please reply M and N. That means there is a matching. So in case of matching, what we need to do? We need to add diagonal plus 1. But what should be the uh, sign? What should be the reference? How it is 10, I am not getting. Can anyone elaborate? Because so many students are writing 10. How it is 10? Please reply so I will get to know where you are mistaken. Please unmute anyone and reply. Diagonal value is 0. In that we need to add plus 1. So how it is 10? Reference of first row column. No, I haven't informed you to have a reference of first row column. And which first row? How it is 12, Nishita? What is the diagonal for this box? Exactly its cross, that is this one. So that value is 0. So in the 0 if you are adding plus 1, so you are getting 1. And as here value is present, you have to keep D because you are taking reference of diagonal, not the above value. And how it is 12, how it is 10, please tell me, then I will able to solve your doubt. If you are not telling, I cannot able to recognize what actually you are misinterpreting. Fine. Let's start with this box. Row value A, column value N. There is no matching. Definitely we had added plus 1. But there is no diagonal present. At that time also I had informed as by the preparation of first box there is no diagonal value present, so we are assuming 0. So 0 plus 1 we have did, but value is not present, so we cannot write D over here. Otherwise we have to write D whenever we are AD. So in that case you can take reference of left value or above value. Anything will work. So here I had taken U. Getting Nupur Raj. What is your doubt, Abhishek? Unmute yourself and tell me. I'm not getting like this.
यस मैम।
Yeah, tell me.
मैम मेरे को समझ में नहीं है 1D कैसे हुआ?
Very simple logic. Whenever there is a matching, you need to add diagonal value plus 1. And in that case, you need to write D. Whenever there is no matching, in that case, you need to see exactly its left hand side value and its above value. And between both the value, whichever is maximum, that you need to write and write reference of that value. But which position you are not getting? Now tell me that.
Okay, ma'am, clear. But first
Hmm?
one, ma'am, first row and first column, 10, ma'am, correct?
Here you are asking.
Yes.
Yeah, the same I had repeated right a time. That here also there is a matching M and M. So we are adding diagonal plus 1. But there is no value present in this box. So we are assuming that is there is a 0. So we'll do 0 plus 1. Likewise we are getting 1. But as value is not present, we cannot write B over here. Why? Because there is no value present as a diagonal. So either you can write 1u or you can write 1l, because ultimately u and l value are present only. Now it is clear. No, you cannot take right side diagonal. And you can see there is no value at right side for any of the box. You can see, because we are filling this row, so definitely its previous row is there, previous row must be there, but not afterwards row value is there. So actually there is no point to use right side diagonal. Yes, it is required to keep reference letter, and as well as in some of the reference book you might able to see, like they have shown left with help of this arrow and right with help of that above arrow. I am not able to create that above arrow, but it is like likewise. In some of the reference book, like diagonal will be shown like this, left hand side will be shown like left arrow, and above shown like above arrow. But I suggest you don't write this arrow method, because ultimately if in exam it is not appropriate that as our drawing is very good, so sometimes it is not that much clear that what actually you want to show. Better you write down like this, that will be more efficient technique. Everyone getting? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Now tell me, for this box there is a and N, so there is no matching, so we need to see its left hand side value and its above value. So between that two, which one is maximum? 1. And what should be the reference? U. Very good. Now here can anyone tell? A and A, there is a matching. We need to add diagonal plus 1. Very good. Now after that 2D and here 1L. Between that two value, which one is maximum value? Yes. Very good. And as that 2 we are getting with help of left hand side, so we are getting L as a reference. Now here, yes. How it is 3D, Manish, Amod, Avinash? What is the diagonal value at this box? First tell me that. I am asking diagonal value. Diagonal value. Diagonal value I am asking, not symbol. Diagonal value, value. Amod, what is diagonal value? Yes, it is 1. So what is the rule in case of matching? Diagonal plus 1. So what is that? If you are adding 1 in 1, then what answer you are getting? 2. And what symbol you need to keep? U, D, O, L. Yes, then now it is 3D. Now tell me for this box, no matching, so you need to see its above value and its left hand side value. Between 2 and 1, what is the maximum? 2, and that we are getting with help of left hand side value. Now here A and A matching. Yes, correct. Now here, yes, here, correct. And here, very good. Now try to obtain this entire row first by your own and reply this entire row in the chat box. Entire row I am telling, not one by one value. Entire row. One U, U, 3D, 3M, 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 3D, 3M, 3M. Yes, correct. Very good. So I guess now you people are happy. Everyone, still in case of doubt, please clear your doubt. When you told that side diagonal is not resistance, but in the diagonal box, right side diagonal, that means I'm not getting. You mean to say for this box, you are what should you need to take reference? Either this or this. Is it so, Nupur?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you need to take left hand side reference always. There is no provision of right hand side that you need to remember. It same like whenever there is no matching, then we are only keeping reference of left hand side value and above value. Same like that. In case of matching, we always need to see left hand side above diagonal. Are you getting? That you need to remember because that is rule. Getting? Okay, yeah. Please don't misinterpret, right? You are not required to use right hand side diagonal. Okay. Now try to create this entire row. Then I will create last row. Answer are ready. Very good. 1U, 2D. Third value is wrong. See, here 1U that is correct. After that there is a matching. So 1U plus 1, so that is 2D. Correct. After that there is no matching. So between 2 and 3 you need to pick up maximum value. Are you getting? After that there is a matching. So 4D. Sorry. And then 4D. Correct. Yeah. It is not Avinash 3A, it is 3U. Why? Because that 3 you are getting with reference of its above value, not left hand side value. Are you getting? Yeah. Now here Y and M no matching. So between 0 and 1, 1 is maximum, so U. Here again no matching, so 2U. Here again no matching, so 3U. 3, 4U. Here there is a matching. So 4 plus 1, 5 and B. Here again no matching, 5L, 5L, 5L and 5L. Okay. So is it clear? Any query in this table? Fine. So this is how we had created table. Now again we need to trace the final answer. Table is fine, but what are the LCS? What is the longest common data that can be answer of LCS? So for that again you need to start with this left hand side, sorry, with this last box. Now what that box will inform us? That will inform us that there is a left symbol, that means go left hand side. So we'll go left hand side. Again that is telling go left hand side. So we'll again go left hand side. Again it is telling go left hand side. After that same way again it is telling go left hand side. So we go left hand side, left hand side, left hand side, left hand side. After that, go left hand side, so we'll reach to this box. Now at this box, we'll identify the diagonal value. So whenever there is a D in picture, that we need to highlight. Now what it telling? It telling go diagonal wise. So we'll reach over here, and again we had highlighted as it is diagonal value. Now what that box is telling us? It is telling again go diagonal. So we'll again reach over here, highlight that box as it is diagonal value. That box is telling again go diagonal, so we'll reach over here. We'll again highlight that box. That box will telling go this D telling go diagonal wise. So we'll reach over here. We'll highlight that box as we are reaching that box with help of diagonal. Now that box is telling go upside. So we are reaching at here, and at that time we are having 0 in the picture. So whenever there is a 0, that means we need to store. And what is the final answer? Final answer is this highlighted box, where we are reaching with help of diagonal reference. So for this value we are getting M and M. For this box we are getting A and A. For this box we are getting L and L. For this box we are getting A and A. And for this box we are getting Y and Y. So our final LCS is MALAY having length of 5 characters. Everyone getting this tracing? Don't worry, we'll see other example in the next class. So you will easily get, okay? You may ask your query. Fine. So please write down your enrollment number.